Hello and welcome to the AI Innovation Tools. Today we have BlueWillow. It's a tool to generate AI images and it's a very good alternative for Midjourney. So if you're looking for free alternatives for Midjourney, stay tuned because in this video I'm going to show you how to join the free beta and how to use it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. For joining the free beta, you just need to have a Discord account and just click on the join the free beta button and it will take you to their channel. You can just simply click on join and it will join. As I have already joined, so I'm in the channel already. So in the channel, you just need to go in the rookie. From there, you just need to type /imagine, okay, and then give it a prompt. Okay, so let's give it a prompt. Superman 4K resolution image. So you can give it a prompt and it will generate images for you. As you can see there, already users are using it, and it's pretty much the same as Midjourney. You just give it a prompt and wait for it to generate images for you. Okay, there are so many users are generating images, so many. Just wait and see. Here, so we got our image here, Superman 4K resolution image. It has given us 4 different variations, which you can also view in browser. So if you want to scale on one image, it's U1 is this one, U2 is this one, U3 is this one, and U4 is this one. So if you want to scale this image, just click on U4 and it will scale it for you. Wait a second, it will come up here. Here. So this is it. This is how you use BlueWillow. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI innovation tools. I'll see you in the next video.